Don't say sorry to me. Who do you have to say sorry to?
Sorry.
To who?
Sorry.
Good, Shalva.
I'm really nice here.
You do?
Yeah.
Go give your sister a kiss and say sorry for hitting you in the face.
Sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I'm sorry. This
And you hit her in the...
face.
Shalva, do you forgive Shlema?
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, let's see nice playing.
This.
Can you share it with Shalva? Good, Shlema, that's much nicer. Yay, Shalvs, you got it? Good job.
Now on the floor. On the floor. Hopefully this. Hey, Sal, don't blow in my nail polish.
Yeah, good, Shlema. That's how you do it. Put the foot in her hand.
So, this?
No, that's too dangerous.